Hi guys, welcome to my channel, product unboxing and more. And today I will be unboxing this carpet cleaner. So this is a Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Carpet and Upholstery Washer. Okay, so here is the accessories included in the box. So wash and protect pro formula, oxy boost formula, wash and remove antibacterial formula, 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool, top and stain 3-in-1 tool, 3M hose. Okay, I'll show you the front of the box. So here is how it looks like. Okay. Then on the side, show a little bit, showing dries in about 30 minutes. Remove pet hair, then top spot with the 2-year guarantee. Okay, so I'll unbox this now, then we'll see what's inside. So comes with this manual, user guide, and this one, I don't know, maybe for cleaning or something. Then antibacterial, wash and remove. Okay. Then some attachment. This is for upholstery with brushes. Then another attachment. One more. This one with a filter and a selection of dry and wet. This one first. This one, something like a cover. Then remove this thing. Now you can see here. So first, this is the solution, water and the cleaning solution. So we place it. And this one is the handle with the trigger. Then the hose. Then this. So this one's the cover. So it comes with another solution to wash and protect, pro stain and odor, and this one is oxy boost. Okay. So here is the main part. Okay. Remove the plastic. Now you can see it's here. Comes goes with so this one goes to the power outlet. And this one is about the where the dirty water is going, and just pull it out, push it back in, and try to assemble it. Let me try this one here. Lock there. Then this thing goes here. Okay, so I'll try to read the manual and maybe try to test this one later on. So this is just an unboxing for this Bissell ProHeat 2. Anyway, I found this one with some instruction here. So important steps. So step 1, step 2, and step 3. So this one is a carry, what do you call it? A carry handle, and at the back it's also another. So screw the handle in place, then you can put the water tank there. So I'll show you. Screw is located here. Okay, try it down. To assemble this handle, just see the slots here, and also there's a top here, then also on the other side, and this one should align with the hole. Make sure the cleaning the container for the cleaning water is not yet there. Okay. Now it's click, then the screw. Okay, just a little tight because it's plastic, so you don't want to break it. Okay, now it's there. Then you can slide the container for water. Now it's there. Now this is ready for the electric cable. Okay, so let me just put this in. That's it. So I'll try this one later on. So again, thank you for watching.